Welcome to Om Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today we have launched a very amazing and healthy course, and it's a course of millet ice cream. All these ice creams are 100% eggless. So in this course I will teach you two variety of bases. First is vegan millet ice cream base and second one is regular millet ice cream base. So in this course, I will teach you how to make variety of ice cream flavor using these basics. So let's see what are the variety you are going to learn in this course. Okay. So this is blackcurrant millet ice cream. Just check the texture of these ice cream. These are so delicious and superb. And this is Gulkand Coconut ice cream. So in this course, I will teach you 26 variety of flavor. Beside this course, we have many more courses in ice cream like parlor ice cream course. Then we have natural ice cream, kulfi premix. Then we have ice cream premix, sugar-free ice cream, and this is millet ice cream course. Then this is cotton candy ice cream. And in this course, I will teach you what are the variety of sweetener you can use in this ice cream. You can make all these ice cream even in sugar free also. Then this is blueberry ice cream. Okay, just check the texture of each and every ice cream. It's so delicious and superb. This is Jello Mello ice cream. This is vanilla millet ice cream. We have 250 plus online courses which we have designed in such a way that after joining our courses, you can start your small business from home, or even you can make all the recipe for home purpose. Okay, then this is strawberry cream cheese millet ice cream. Even in millet, we have lots of courses. Like we have millet breakfast, then we have millet muffin, millet ice cream, millet cakes, millet cupcakes. There are so many courses. So before joining our courses, please collect the menu card from our team. Select the course and then join our course. Okay, then this is butterscotch millet ice cream. Then this is Gulkand millet ice cream. So this is dates and nuts millet ice cream. So when you join our any online course, you will get recipe PDF video for lifetime access. Then you will get the certificate, and if suppose you are having any doubts, you can contact us and solve your all queries. So in this way you can join our any online course from any place, anytime and from anywhere. So this is chocolate ice cream. Okay, it's a millet ice cream. Okay, and this is Kaju Draksh millet ice cream. And we have many more courses in summer special also, like cold coffee and frappe, thick shake, milkshake, faluda, mastani, milkshake premises, lassi, so many other courses. And this is Biscoff ice cream. Okay, and this is our peanut butter millet ice cream. And this is Rajbhog ice cream. And this is roasted almond millet ice cream. See you next week with a new class, but before that, do like, share, subscribe to our channel.